Hello everybody, it is the end of week 3 and the beginning of week 4. Amazing! You've made it, so congratulations. I just wanted to share a couple of reminders and then talk about how I'm going to provide feedback to you for your portfolio. So in the discussions, make sure that you are coming back once you post. I've had a couple of people who've posted a link incorrectly or it's not working, so you need to address that in a rather timely manner. And in addition, some of your classmates have some comments and questions about your posting. So please don't wait until Saturday or Sunday to come back and post, because that in particular slows down the ability to give you feedback. So for week 4, please read this. It's about the NETS teacher standard, which is to design and develop learning age experiences and assessments. You have the ability to pick some topics. We have some suggestions. You have one video quiz. Please make sure that you are logged into MyCUW before you can access those Atomic Learning videos. You have another tool share this week that is in your portfolio document. Please keep track of your portfolios and your artifacts because you are not allowed to repeat. So if you have shared an item in a toolkit, you are not able to use that item for an artifact and vice versa. I would also suggest that as you go through reading other people's tools and resources, that you might want to keep track of what other people are sharing, and there's really not an easy way to do that. I'm going to suggest something called Live Binders. Let's see if it comes up here, if I can. Yep. So Live Binders is free. They have education resources and binders that you can share, so you create your own Live Binders. It's a pretty cool tool. You can put a little, it's called a DGOLET or a binder thing. Stop it, Tinker. Sorry, my dog is talking to me over here. So you can easily bookmark those and add them to your Live Binder. So just a suggestion, you're welcome to use that as a tool as well. So technology share, and then your second portfolio submission. Please make sure that you're focusing on the standard of experiences and assessments. And I've got the spinning ball of death here. The other piece of this is there will be a discussion. Now, you're going to use the same document that you did this week. One little change, though, is that in your document, I'm using a sample portfolio document. Once you have done that and posted whatever you've written in week 1, I'm going to make a copy. And the copy is going to be your last name, your first name, but it's also going to say feedback portfolio. So the issue here is that I don't want others to see the feedback that I have for you. So let's say that's personal. So let's say you're doing week 1 and week 2, and I'm going to come in and highlight some text, and I'm going to make a comment. Please, whoops, got my cap lock key on, please revise to meet the requirements of 5 to 6 sentences. I can't type today. Okay, so once whatever the comment is in here, and if I do something like say revise, you will have until, say Wednesday XXX date to complete that revision. I'm not able to give you chances to revise beyond a week unless there's some extenuating circumstances. Once I post a comment in your feedback portfolio, I'm asking that you do not click this resolve button. So this is a copy of your portfolio. You'll make the revision in this feedback portfolio. You're welcome, once you do that, to copy and paste it into your original portfolio, but that is not necessarily required. This is going to be the document that I use to give you grades, and I will be posting the rubrics. So underneath each week, I will post, the rubric, and then I will, once the rubric is posted, I will come back and highlight. So let's say you met, these three. I will highlight. Comments would be made above. So let's say here you need to respond to 3 participants. I'm not able to do those until Monday morning because your deadline isn't until Sunday evening. Let's say it was late and for some reason you ended up down here with a B, which is lower than you want. I will give you the option of 1 week to make revisions. Again, the revisions will be in this document. You're welcome to copy and paste the revisions that you make into your personal, your public document, but that is really up to you on how to do that. So look for another Gmail. As I grade these, I will create them that have your last name, first name, and then it will say feedback. That is where you're going to find my comments, suggestions, clarifications for whatever you've written, and I will be adding your work to this document each week. So if that doesn't make sense to you, please feel free to ask any questions of me you need to by email. I hope that's it for the week. Good luck, everybody.